Hi everyone, this is Miss Lauren with Portsmouth Public Library, and today we are going to be making vegan jackfruit tacos in honor of our Tales and Tales program. So today you will need some chili powder, paprika, dried oregano, cumin, garlic powder, onion powder, and about 2 cans of green jackfruit. Now it's important that you get the kind with the brine and not the yellow kind, because that will make it very sweet, and that's not what we're going for today. Alright, so we're going to start off by making our taco seasoning. If you notice, I didn't say anything about salt. There's a lot of salt in the brine. You don't need any more salt. So we will have 1 tablespoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of ground cumin, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of paprika, half a teaspoon of dried oregano, half a teaspoon of onion powder, and if you want a little spice, you can get some crushed red pepper flakes. I did not include them in our mix because I know a lot of teens don't like spicy. And you can add a 4th teaspoon of black pepper. Now the seasoning recipe I am using from the website Give Me Some Oven. It will be linked in our description box. Now once you have measured out everything into a little bowl, just go ahead and take a fork and combine everything until everything is about evenly mixed. It's not going to be super even because you do have the oregano. Alright, now make sure that your jackfruit has been rinsed off and you have shredded it with, your fingers are probably going to be your best bet, so shred it with clean hands, and make sure you have put a pan with a little bit of oil on medium heat. So there's our shredded up jackfruit, and we're just going to go on and pour that into the pan. Make sure you don't do like I did and get a pan that is too small. That's why you will see a different pan in a later part of this video. But now you're just going to sort of cook your jackfruit. You're basically trying to get it to the texture that you would get either pulled pork or carne asada, so just a little bit crispy. And we're just going to move it around, not too much, because again we're trying to get it crispy. Once it starts to get a little crispy, we will then add our taco seasoning. This is what's going to really transform our jackfruit. So this entire process for me took about 15 to 20 minutes. Just the cooking part. It will take a little bit longer to shred things up, and also if you decide you want to try to boil out the salt from your jackfruit, that will also take a little bit of time. So here is what our jackfruit meat looks like after about 20 minutes. So we're just going to take that off, and I am heating up my tortillas just in a clean pan. You don't need any oil. You just give it about 30 seconds each side. You kind of want it to get a little softer and brown. And then here I served it with some avocado and salsa and some Spanish rice and black beans. I hope you enjoy